Jai Shri Ram everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you friends? I hope you all guys are doing very well. So friends, in today's video, I am going to discuss you a single tip, a brilliant tip. Okay, I am going to share with you a single tip, and this tip not only improve your English speaking skills but also it improves others aspects of English, okay, such as you can easily write in English, you can understand English, you can expand your vocabulary, you can improve your knowledge, you can increase your how to make sentence, you can easily improve your knowledge how to think in English, how to speak in English, and there are so many benefit of one single tip. Okay, so you can easily do everything in English, but before going to the video, later all the video I will discuss some benefit, what are the benefits, and but before I would like to ask you, please drop in comment section what is your level in English. Okay, why I am asking you your level? I am asking you your level. First you recognize your level, first you identify your level. Once you identify, once you recognize your level, what is the level of you of your in English, then you can easily work according to your level. Okay, whether you are a beginner, whether you are a intermediate level. So once you identify, once you recognize your level in English, then you can easily work according to your level. Okay, so this is very important to know what is your level. That's why I am asking you a question, that if first you identify your level, so you can easily, first you identify your level, you can easily work according to your level. Okay, so please tell me what is your level and tell me this question in answer in the comment box. Okay, so once you identify your level, then this tip is going to very helpful for you. Okay, so here I will give you some suggestion according to the level, such as beginners level, such as the intermediate level. So there are category divided by the level, there are the tips divided by the level. Okay, so you can easily identify your level. It will improve your vocabulary, it will improve your thinking level, because there are different type of levels, so there are different type of learning skills. So first you need to identify your level. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe my channel, because these things give me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. And if you are new here, then first make sure to subscribe this channel. Okay, and give me a feedback about this video in the comment section. Okay, so and share your feedback. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, we first let's some discuss about the benefit of the tip. Okay, which I'm going to share with you in this video. So there are so many benefit of this tip. Okay, why is this important to talk about the benefit of this tip? Okay, it is very important, because once you once you know the some benefit of this tip, so you can easily excited to know, you can easily excited to catch the tip easily. So this is very important. First you know the some benefit of this single tip. Okay, so here I will give you some benefit. I will discuss you what are the some benefit of one this single tip. Okay, so first let's we talk about first benefit. The first benefit is that you are going to expand your vocabulary. Okay, once you know the different kind of vocabulary, so it is very helpful, it is very helpful to speaking, to improve your speaking terms. It is very helpful to think in English. Okay, once you know the different vocabularies, once you know the vocabulary, so you can easily write in English, you can easily think in English, you can easily make some sentences, because if you need to make some sentences, so it is very important to know vocabulary. So it's expand your vocabulary. It's not only expand your vocabulary, it also enhance your knowledge, how to make a structure, enhance your knowledge, different kind of vocabulary knowledge. Okay, so this is the one and most important benefit of this tip, is that it enhance, it improve your, expand your vocabulary. So this is a very important benefit. Okay, now let's talk about the next benefit. So the next benefit is pronunciation. Okay, once this is very important to speak English fluently and correctly with proper pronunciation. Okay, because it pronunciation, it depend on the different type of regional language. So the person who is speaking English, so they are different. Okay, because it's depend their regional language also touch in their vocab. So once you start to applying the tip which I'm going to share with you in this video, so you can easily improve your pronunciation. So this tip is very important. So now let's talk about the next benefit. So the next benefit is that the grammar. Okay, importance of grammar, because we all know the English as a subject, and we read English, we write English, we speak as a subject. But once you apply the tip which I'm going to share with you in this video, so you can easily know the some basic grammars which is helpful to in your speaking skills, which is helpful to make different kind of sentences. You easily know where to use verb, where to use a subject, object, and different kind of grammars. Okay, so you can easily understand basic grammars in speaking terms. So it also helps you to improve your grammar. Okay, so now let's talk about next benefit. So the next benefit is that you can easily think in English. Okay, you can easily think in your mind once you apply the tip which I'm going to share with you in this video. So you can easily start it, you can easily improve your thinking in English, you can easily improve your skill, the think in English directly in mind, not and take a time to do translation. Once you think in your mother tongue and then you do translation, so it's take a lot of time. So applying this technique, you will easily think in English, directly think in your mind. So it will improve your subconscious mind, how to think in English directly. So this is also benefit. This benefit is also improve your speaking skills. Okay, so now let's talk about the next benefit. The next benefit is that you can easily write in English. Okay, write in English, you can easily understand the sentences, what is going on, what is I am telling you in this video. So once you apply the tip which I'm going to share with you, you can easily understand all the aspects. You can easily write in English, you can easily listen in English, you can easily think in English, you can improve your pronunciation, you can improve your English grammar, the basic grammar. So there are so many benefits of this single tip. Okay, so there are so many benefits. Once you know the benefits, so you can easily apply the tips which I'm going to share with you in this video. So now that let's go to talk about the tip. Okay, so I will give you tip name. What is the tip? You can see what is the technique. Okay, so I give you a tip. The tip name is reading. Believe me friends, this is a very good technique. This is a very good tip to improve your different kind of aspects such as reading, writing, speaking, and think in English. So it is very important to know why the people understand this tip. They are not going to focus on reading in English. It is very important. Believe me friends, it is very important to improve your vocabulary, to improve your pronunciation, to improve your how you can easily understand how to make sentences in English. So this one single tip will improve your different kind of aspects. So give focus on reading terms. Read English according to your level. Okay, once you identify your level, what is your level? Okay, if you are a beginner in English, then you should start reading a simple children book. Okay, such as third, fourth, fifth class simple English book. Why I am saying you to learn to read children book? Because they are speaking, their English is very simple and very easy. You can understand in English what is written in English, what is going to the make the structure. So you can easily understand English. Okay, and you identify that your level in English is a intermediate level, so you can easily read different kind of some motivational novels, some motivational books, such as self improving books. So there are so many books you can easily read and enhance your vocabulary, enhance your pronunciation, and enhance your writing skills. So once you recognize your level, okay, then you have to work, you need to work according to your level. Okay, if you are a beginner, then I will show you a big, this is a book. Okay, this is a government book of and so their English is very easy. Okay, I will I will give you a sentence what is written in English. Okay, once a traveler lost his way. So in this way you can easily read this language. Read, once you read in a simple way, you can easily understand what type of sentence are making, what type or pronunciation. Okay, so you can easily understand everything in English. Okay, so once you need to identify your level, then start to read some different kind of books. It is depend on your interest. Okay, so reading habit is very important. So now we're going to talk about how to read. Okay, how to read. Once you identify your level, and you can you are going to work according to your level. Now the topic is that, now the question is that how to read the book. Okay, so I will give you some suggestion how to read the book. Okay, first you take a book and start to reading. First you need to slow down your level. First you need to slow down, okay, your speed is, read English very slow in first level. Okay, and the second tip is that, and the second suggestion is that you must read regularly, not read one day and skip it in 15 days. No, you read, you need to read regularly. Regular basis पे आपको इसको learn करना पड़ेगा. Set small goals. Okay, if you have a long book, okay, if you are intermediate level, then set goals. Okay, I will read 2 page 3 page in this book. So first you set a goal. Okay, mention proper general, just what is going on, what you need to read this book. So mention your proper journal. You must read loud. Why is this, why it I'm going to say this, you must read loud? Because once you read loud, so your mouth have to force to speak out, and once you're going to speak in English then with others, so you can easily find it's easy to speak in English with someone. So read in loud. Once you read loud, then you get that your mouth will automatically help you to speak out something in English. Make some notes. If you find some sentence is very useful and it's used in different situation, then you need to make some different notes. So make notes is very important. So now the next suggestion is that practice scanning. Okay, once you do practice, and then the next time you will find that your speed is going too high. Now you can easily understand the meaning, you can easily understand the sentence structure. So practice scanning is very important. Now the last suggestion is that have patience and consistent with your reading terms. Because why I'm saying this, because if you take some patience, okay, now my English is improving now, and we have to consistent on this. That's why you are going to speak in English fluently. So have some patience and consistent on reading skills. So friends, here I gave you some suggestion how to read English book. So it is depend on your level. If you are a beginner level, then start to read English in children book. If you are intermediate level, then you are going to read different kind of novels, different kind of English contents. So it's depend on your interest. So friends, so these are all some amazing tips, some amazing suggestion which I gave you in this video. And believe me, this all things which I gave you in this video, all the tips I have already applied on my journey, and it helped me more. So it helped me, then it will also help you. So please apply all the tips, all the suggestion. Okay friends, so I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video. because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you. We will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.